Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today we are learning about mammals, the most advanced animals in the animal kingdom. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates with hair or fur, mammary glands to feed their young, a well-developed brain, and mostly developed placenta. In this episode, we'll look at their salient features and see why mammals are considered the highest group in evolution. Let's talk about general characteristics of Mammalia. Mammals are warm-blooded animals, which means they keep a constant body temperature. Their body is covered with hair or fur that helps in insulation. The most special feature is the presence of mammary glands that produce milk to feed their young. They also have external ears, called pinnae, to detect sound, and a four-chambered heart for efficient circulation. Let's talk about skeletal and locomotion features in Mammalia. Mammals have a strong internal skeleton with a backbone that supports the body. Their limbs are adapted for different activities like walking, running, flying, or swimming. Most mammals, from a mouse to a giraffe, have exactly 7 neck bones. Their jaws are movable, and they have different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. They also have a muscular diaphragm that separates the chest and abdomen and helps in breathing. Let's talk about circulatory and respiratory features in Mammalia. Mammals have a very efficient circulatory system with a four-chambered heart that keeps oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood separate. In mammals, only the left aortic arch is present, while in birds the right one remains. They breathe only through lungs, which have millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These increase the surface area for gas exchange and ensure a steady oxygen supply for their high energy needs. Let's talk about digestive and excretory features in Mammalia. Mammals have a complete digestive system suited to their diet. Their teeth are heterodont, different types, which help in chewing food. Herbivores have gut microbes that help digest cellulose. The liver is large and important for metabolism and detoxification. The excretory system is efficient, with metanephric kidneys that filter blood and maintain water balance. Mammals are ureatelic, excreting nitrogen waste mainly as urea. Now, let's talk about reproductive and developmental features in Mammalia. Mammals have separate sexes and reproduce by internal fertilization. Most are viviparous, give birth to young ones, and the placenta nourishes the embryo. Mammary glands produce milk for the young. Mammals also show strong parental care, which helps in the survival and learning of the offspring. Let's talk about nervous system and sense organs in Mammalia. Mammals have the most advanced nervous system. Their large brain controls intelligence, memory, and learning. The cerebellum helps in balance and movement. Sense organs are well developed. Many mammals have color vision, external ears, pinnae, for hearing, and some use a strong sense of smell or echolocation to survive. Let's talk about diversity in Mammalia. Mammals live in almost every habitat on Earth. The most primitive are monotremes, platypus, echidna, that lay eggs. Marsupials, kangaroos, koalas, give birth to tiny young that grow in a pouch. Placental mammals, like humans, elephants, whales, bats, are the largest group, where the placenta nourishes the baby. Their wide adaptations make mammals the most successful vertebrates. Let's quickly recap what we learned about mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals with hair or fur and feed their young with milk. They have a four-chambered heart and breathe through lungs with alveoli. Most give birth to live young with placental development and show strong parental care. Their brain and senses are highly developed, making them very intelligent. Mammals are diverse, including monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following is a monotreme mammal? Is it option A, kangaroo? Is it option B, platypus? Is it option C, whale? Or is it option D, bat? Comment your answers or send them to us on WhatsApp or Instagram. That's all for today's episode on the salient features of mammals. Now you know why they are the most advanced vertebrates. In the next episode, we'll learn about the classification of mammals, monotremes, marsupials, and placentals, with key examples for exams. Stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Also, don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series. The playlist is linked in the description and in the cards above. See you in the next episode.